I am reviewing the ZhuCamX Ultra High Definition Dash Camera from AliExpress, fitted for Ford Mondeo, Ford Taurus, and Lincoln Z or Zephyr models from 2022 to 2024. The front camera records at 4K, 3840 by 2160 at 30 frames per second. It uses the SONY IMX335 18 megapixels image sensor, a Novatek 96670 processor, and a 6-element glass lens with an EFF 1.6 large aperture for low light night vision. The viewing angle is 170 degrees. Video is saved with high-efficiency video coding in the movie format, with wide dynamic range and automatic white balance for clear details. You can enable wireless internet to preview, download, edit, and share clips in the mobile application. Choose loop clips of 3, 5, or 10 minutes. For protection, a 3-axis gravity sensor locks important files during a collision. There is 24-hour parking monitoring with impact trigger when the camera is hardwired to the accessory fuse. Note that using a rain sensor or dome light power does not support true 24-hour mode. Power options include plug-and-play harness, universal serial bus, onboard diagnostics, or accessory fuse hardwire. You can add an optional rear camera at 1080p and rotate its lens 360 degrees to face the cabin or the rear window.